Paris' biggest hater, Antonio, the biggest hater of Paris.
You don't even want me to tap him. That's what he's saying.
Yeah, because I'm gonna tap you. Ain't that right, Paris? Which one you want, Paris? Train or boat?
Boat.
You want boat?
The only reason my best never goes.
Paris wants the boat, man. Be quiet. Can I go to the boat, Paris? Uh-huh.
Only reason I
Monorail. I'm at Magic Kingdom. Hey, man, I'm at Disney, man. Leave me alone, bro. I'm at Disney. Go enjoy yourself. Want to talk about nothing but Disney. We go hug Mickey Mouse. Do all the stuff that I want to do.
beat you up.
Mickey Mouse will never beat me up. Hey, y'all like subscribe to the channel. Family Day at Disney. We about to go turn up. Finna get me some snacks, turkey leg. Tony finna be my biggest hater. Look at him.
I'm not your biggest fan. You wait till don't want me to tap him. You don't even.
Dude, what? We talking about tapping Paris at Disney World. What is wrong with him, y'all?
I'm not trying to tap him.
We're at ferry boat.
Don't even listen to me.
The ferry boat.
You know how much you disrespect
Can you please go and shut up? Jesus. I'm not running nowhere. Go ahead, run, Ocean. You ain't ran yet. What you want? You ready to go? Paris ready to go to the boat. Her biggest hater. Where go? Oh my God. On the boat, Paris? You ready? Paris ready. Hey, move, Ocean. We trying to go on the boat. Say move, mommy. Say move. Oh man, I was gonna try to get him to blow the horn, but he ain't even looking. Come on, dude, look. I always give him to blow the horn. He's not even up there looking at. No horn blowing this time. Whoop, whoop. Oh, he didn't do it. Oh well, he's still on the boat. Go up, go up, go. Isn't that beautiful, Osh? Polynesian.
So you just sit out there? Yeah, it's like a condo. I thought it's a place with fish, man.
No, it's a condo you can stay at.
You stay out, you can just come
The Grand
outside.
Floridian. Paris, why you being bad? You ready to go inside? Go see Mickey Mouse. Minnie Mouse, Minnie Mouse. 20 minutes later, I'm here. Daddy got a surprise for Paris. You ready? Surprise. Nothing like walking through there, baby. All the troubles go away at Magic Kingdom. Tice, you ready? Woo! Paris, who that is? Who is that, Paris? Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Is that Mickey Mouse? Say Mickey Mouse? Let's go see Mickey Mouse. Yay! We're off to see Mickey. Let's go see Mickey Mouse. You ready? Come on, Poop. Ready? Ready? Paris going to see Mickey. You gonna give Mickey Mouse a big hug? Say Mickey.
It's definitely.
Look at that. We'll update with new hat. Okay. Big ducks. Let's go, Paris. Thank you, Greg.
You, of course, have a great one.
Hello, Palo. Ted. Uh-oh, there go the man. Hold on, G. Hold it, G. Hold it.
Yeah, I just had a dream about this. Oh my God. Mom, I should have dreaming about this.
Damn, that's pretty cool.
Ready?
Go Paris. Come on, man. Take it up, take it. You all day talking about Mickey Mouse. You gonna give Mickey a hug? Give Mickey a hug.
Give him a hug, Paris. Come on.
Hug him. Been talking about Mickey Mouse all day.
Ready, Paris? Say cheese. This guy. Oh,
man, that was great. Hug. Give Mickey a hug. So we can go. We gotta go. Give him a hug. You ready to go? Say bye-bye, Mickey. Say bye-bye. She touched his nose. 100 of these things. Paris. You happy about that, ain't you? Come on, let's go.
That's the worst time, that. It's all your fault, man. Why you gotta bring us out here, man? It's all.
I got jokes for days. Sure did. Rushed you up out of there. Ha ha. We got jokes for days. Come here, Paris. You ready to go laugh? Come on, give me a hand. Give me a hand. Wow.
Go ahead, raise up your hand if your name is Mike. Do we have any mics out there? We've got a few mics out there. That concludes the mic check. Oh, look at that. We got a couple of giggles right there in the left hand. That's
Yeah, that's about right. So, bye, Ross.
That's when we collect your laughter. The more you laugh, the more power we collect. The less you laugh, well, we may not have enough power to open the exit door.
Be a compliment. You're welcome, sir. See, now we're at the laughter. So the only one here who
Salmonella, this is my sister Sam.
together we're salmonella. We're here today to tell you a famous story that happened right here in Monstrous, featuring.
He's already a star. He is that guy.
All right, well, this is a tale of two monsters. The first, a hairy scarer named Sully,
Whoa, Fuzzy!
and his best friend, Mike Wazowski.
He had one eye, sir. Yeah, nailed
You know, the two of them, they lived in Monstropolis, which was known for a power crisis.
it. Scared. Everyone say, oh, I'm so scared.
I'm so scared.
And Sully's job to capture screams for power by making scary faces. That would make everybody scream! And that would generate power for Monstropolis.
Everyone say, hooray!
One day, a little girl entered into the monster world through an open door.
And her name was... Why are they booing us? Oh, they're not. Her name was Boo because she liked to play peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
Will you cover your eyes and play peekaboo for us?
Oh, scare Randall!
Randall.
Invincible. Can you become invisible? Can you vanish?
Vanish, Antonio.
Duck down, dude.
Duck down.
Rico, what did the buffalo say to his kid when he dropped him off at school? Say what? Bye, son. And the buffalo is up, I said. Anyway.
Oh, bison.
Why was Luke Skywalker sad when he
Why?
Because there was only one cannoli. When I grow up, I wanted to just like Uncle Mikey and go to Monsters University.
Oh. Buzz Lightyear. Go, bro. Bro, I don't want to even sit with you. I was trying to sit with Taisha.
Man, Taisha ain't gonna hit the Nah, man.
Compete with me. I don't know why this man want to compete with me, man. I'm the king of this stuff. Look around, he want to compete with me. Crazy, man. Bro, you always lose, bro.
Well, I be in Toy Story though.
Man, whatever. We're gonna lose today, chump. Make sure I beat him, y'all.
This is what it's gonna take.
Big bag. It's about to go down.
Inside your space cruiser.
Paris.
2, 2, 1, please. Okay. 2, 2, 1.
Hands on speaker like inside the
Victory time. I'm for the win. You're gonna lose.
The thumb trigger on your laser cannon fires a single ion pulse. You've got to get Zerg's forces whacked out.
Go.
What have you done? Reconnect the fusion cells. Power. I must have power.
Are you trying to catch it now?
Oh no.
No, stop that. I'm indestructible. Do you hear? Indestructible.
Big Squadron, secure that power cells for transport.
Gah, miserable dukers. Pipe-sized pipsqueaks.
Tonio, did you win? You won? Man, you kicked my butt, bro.
Check the status board to review your score. Remember, to infinity and beyond.
I'm gonna go with my dad this song.
We want the cars. Yeah, Paris with the bubbles. See, Florida weather. About to storm. Shut down all the rides at Disney.
It goes crazy.
So we gotta get ready to go home.
Yeah, I feel like they haven't like stopped raining for like weeks.
Still a good day at Disney though. I don't care what nobody say. Florida weather. About to rain, about to storm.
Oh yeah.
Big bad, big bad. Big bag, big bag. Big bag, big bag. Well,
This is all your fault, Dad.
it's a wrap, baby.
That's your fault, Dad. You're the reason.
It's your Auntie Taisha's fault.
Actually, yeah, it is her fault.
No, it's your mama's fault.
Actually, no, it's both.
She
your
didn't read the
fault.
weather.
Oh my God. She made
Our
it-
day is over with because it's about to rain.
Wait, who spent the money on this?
We got passes, sir. You guys do us a favor. Just like
Punch
the
'em.
thing. You don't gotta subscribe. If you do, you do.
No, all you need is.
Base.
All you need is. And I got a bill. Yeah, no. Oh, that's